Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Windows 11 new Paint app. The Paint app has been around since the beginning of Windows. But this Paint application was not updated from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Now in Windows 11, we have a new redesigned Paint app with new features. Here you can see new Paint app with redesigned UI. Also we have new context menus, redesigned painting tool, and new text fonts. These new features are helping to draw better. If Microsoft add a few more features to this Paint app will be a great drawing app. What you think about this new Paint app? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you later.